Romanian automaker Dacia unveils its latest offering, the Jogger. As an affordable family car with impressive space and practicality, this versatile vehicle is poised to attract budget-conscious buyers. This overview delves into its key features, from design and specifications to performance and pricing. Sporting a distinctive design, the Jogger combines elements of an SUV, estate, and MPV. Its robust appearance, with a high ground clearance and protective skid plates, hints at off-road capabilities. The modular interior offers ample seating for up to 7 passengers, and its flexible configuration allows for versatile cargo space. Under the hood, the Jogger is powered by a 1-liter 3-cylinder turbocharged petrol engine, generating 110 horsepower and 200 newton-meters of torque. This powertrain is coupled with a 6-speed manual transmission, ensuring a smooth and responsive driving experience. A bi-fuel version, featuring LPG and petrol compatibility, is also available for eco-conscious buyers. The Jogger boasts competitive fuel efficiency, thanks in part to its lightweight construction. The petrol variant achieves an estimated 47.9 mpg, while the bi-fuel option offers a combined fuel consumption of 44.1 mpg. These figures make it an economical choice for families on a budget. Equipped with an array of safety features, the Jogger is designed to protect its occupants. Standard equipment includes electronic stability control, anti-lock braking system, and hill start assist. Additionally, it features 6 airbags and ISOFIX child seat anchors, providing peace of mind for parents. Dacia's media control system is integrated into the Jogger, offering a user-friendly infotainment experience. The system is compatible with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, allowing occupants to seamlessly connect their smartphones. Additionally, it includes a DAB digital radio, Bluetooth connectivity, and USB ports for charging and media playback. The Jogger maintains the brand's reputation for affordability. Prices start at just approximately $20,245 for the entry-level Essential trim, with the mid-range Comfort and range-topping Extreme trims priced at approximately $22,297 and approximately $24,348 respectively. The competitive pricing makes it an attractive option for families seeking an economical and spacious vehicle. Offering a compelling blend of versatility, practicality, and affordability, the Jogger is an ideal choice for budget-conscious families. Its unique design, efficient engine options, and comprehensive suite of features make it a strong contender in the competitive family car market. With its attractive pricing and value proposition, it is set to make waves in the industry. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.